Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, definitely. First, I want to tell you something. Thank you for bringing me here.
Welcome, welcome.
So, my name is Prasant Chauhan. I am from Uttar Pradesh. My district is Bijnor. And I completed my post graduation in chemistry last year. I live in a village. So, I am also a sugarcane farmer.
As well as you are a sugarcane farmer. How did you start farming
Yeah,
sugarcane?
brother, I told you before, I belong to a farming background. I live in a place. If you have land in a place and you live in a place, so farming is your family business.
Okay, okay. That
Farming is
is
not a business, but we can say it's my family business. My father is also a farmer, and my grandfather was also a farmer. And I also have interest in farming since childhood. So that's why I choose this.
how much land do you farm and what is your yearly income from
Uh,
sugarcane?
I have I have 10 acre of land, and I easily earn 5 to 6 lakh in a year for my farm. I know 5 to 6 lakh is not enough if you live in a metro city like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. But if you live in a village, then 5 to 6 lakh rupees is enough.
Yeah, of course. When you're living in
Yeah,
village, it is more than enough to survive. Or even
yeah, you're
you
right.
should be happy with that also. What are the
Hmm.
biggest challenges you face in farming?
uh, there are so many challenges in farming.
Yeah,
I am not talking about only me. I am talking about all Indian farmer.
yeah.
I would like to share three challenges in this video. The first one is Indian farmer not need any type of revive like PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. And Indian farmer need good and advanced agriculture implement like foreign countries farmer have, but Indian farmer doesn't have this type of implement. So this is the biggest problem with our Indian farmer. And the second one is labor problem. Nowadays there is no one to help Indian farmer in their farms, and labor costing is very high nowadays in India. So I think this is the second one challenges for our farmer. And the third one is weather. Weather is also very challenging for Indian
Yes,
farmer.
yes. Absolutely.
So I think these three are main problem.
So, what is one thing that helped you earn more from your farm?
First thing, I changed my old sugarcane seed from new variety.
Okay.
Nowadays, I am growing new sugarcane varieties like CO95, CO86032, and there are so many sugarcane varieties. I
Okay.
think they will help me to earn more money.
Okay. So, what did you learn from farming that helps you in life?
Ah, thing. As you know, Indian farmer is very honest and hard. I think these two things will help me in my life, hardworking or honesty.
Okay. Hardworking. You should be, wherever you are, you should be
Yeah,
hardworking and honest in the life.
honest. Yeah, you are right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What keeps you motivated every day?
motivated. I think meditation is better than motivation.
Okay.
I I do daily meditation for 30 minutes. So I think meditation is help me to learn new things, explore new things.
Okay, cool, cool. So, how do you practice and improve your English?
English
Yeah.
because of you. because there are so many YouTube channel like you. You doing great work. I also watched your video, and many other YouTube channel is there. They're doing great work.
So thank you so much to be here